Hello everyone, my name is Jimmy. I want to talk about atomic model through the ages. Democritus. Democritus was an influential ancient Greek pre-Socratic philosopher. Second, Democritus was born in Abdera, Thrace around 460 BC, although some thought it was 490 BC. His main idea. The first, atoms are small solid objects that cannot be divided, create, or destroy. Atoms are constantly moving in empty space. The property of the atom determine the properties of matter. Democritus' experiments. He important discovery the atom. If it weren't for Democritus, there would be no modern atomic theory and there would still be questions left to answer that was answered hundreds of years ago. Second I want to talk about is J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson was an English physicist and Nobel laureate in physics critics with the discovery and identification of the electron, and with the discovery of the first subatomic particle. J.J. Thomson's main happened. First, Thomson is credited with finding the first evidence for isotopes of a stable element. Thomson was awarded the 1906 Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the conduction of electricity in gas. I want to talk about J.J. Thomson's experiments. First, charge to mass ratio of the electron. Second, the first is the experiment of Joseph John Thomson, who first demonstrates that atoms are actually composed of aggregates of charged particles. Third, Cassell's ray. Rutherford. Rutherford was a New Zealand-born British physicist who came to be known as the father of nuclear physics. His main idea. The model described the atom as a tiny, dense, positively charged core called a nucleus, in which nearly all the mass is concentrated, around which the light, negative constituents, called electrons, circulate at some distance, much like planets revolving around the sun. And I want to talk about this. This all is based on electron. His experiment. Physicists have since used particle scattering in many ways to learn about matter, and have had much success in studying solids. To understand some of the ways that ions are used to probe solids, we consider an important technique used in crystallography, Rutherford backscattering. He used gold foil ion alpha particle. And I want to give you a very important video. Early atomic theory. History of atomic theory. Let's also talk about atom. This video can let you understand that atoms, Democritus and Aristotle. John Dalton. Matter is made out of tiny particles called atoms that cannot be divided into smaller pieces and cannot be destroyed. All atoms of the same element will be exactly the same, and that atoms of different elements can combine to form compounds. And this is John Dalton's picture. J.J. Thomson discovered the electron. Like I said before, he is based on electron, and electron gun cathode ray tube. Thomson's discovery of electrons. Hydrogen. Plum pudding. And this is Rutherford. Use gold foil. This is my end of my PowerPoint. Thank you for listening.